Whoa.
This way.
Are you walking?
Show Mama how we walk.
Assisted walk. Nice.
Oh,
Oh,
man down.
man down. That's okay. It gives me time to get ahead of you.
Here we go.
Okay. Good job, Avery. Go, Avery! Go, Avery! Go, Avery!
Let's go this way.
See that our house isn't bigger. She has more room to keep pushing. Let me get through here. Oh. Good job, Avery.
Oh, bumpy. Oh, it's okay.